sketch the region whose area is given by the definite integral. And then the second part of the question says, then use a geometric formula to evaluate the integral. It says a is greater than 0 and r is greater than 0. Okay, let's go ahead and work through it very carefully. So the first step is to sketch the area given by this definite integral here. So the square root of 4 minus x squared dx. So let's carefully go through how to find this. So I'm going to go ahead and start by calling this piece y. So this is y equals the square root of 4 minus x squared. So what this is this is the top half of a circle. If you're not convinced, you can do what I always do, is I convince myself. So how do you do that? Well, you square both sides, and that gives you this, because the square root goes away. And then you just add x squared to both sides, so you end up with this here. So here r is the square root of 4, which is 2. The center of this circle is 0, 0. And so this is a circle centered at the origin of radius 2. So this is just the top half of the circle. So let's go ahead and sketch that. So here's the y-axis, here's the x-axis, here is -2, and here is 2. So I'm going to put dots here and a dot here, then we'll draw our beautiful circle. So because it's a circle of radius 2, you know that this is also 2. Okay, so now we should be able to pick the correct graph. It looks like it's going to be this one here. The other graphs look similar, but they're all wrong except this one. Okay, so now we will have to figure this out using geometry. If you didn't know geometry, in order to figure this out, you would have to use some calculus 2, I believe. Yeah, it would be pretty tough. So thankfully we have geometry on our side. So the area of a circle is pi r squared. That is the area of a circle. So this is half of a circle, so we want 1/2 of this. So for us it'll be 1/2 pi r squared. So it's 1/2 pi, and r for us is 2. So this is 1/2 4 pi. So this is just going to be 2 pi. So that should be the area of the circle. I hope this video has been helpful.